Our top news this week: Sony has released a major firmware update for their most compact cine camera, the FX3. Firmware update version 2.0 brings new log shooting modes to S-Log 3, such as Flexible ISO, Cine EI and Cine EI Quick. Aimed at pro cinematographers, the new Cine EI functionality is familiar to FX9 users and is designed to get the maximum dynamic range and image quality out of the FX3, which is now an even better BCam option to the FX6 and FX9. The new firmware update also brings more professional monitoring options to the FX3, which now allows users to install custom LUTs and also use LUT presets, much like the ones in the top-of-the-range Venice. Multicam workflows are now simplified thanks to the new timecode sync support, which requires an optional adapter, while the enhanced metadata support now makes post-production much easier by including EI and LUT settings into the metadata. Blackmagic Design has just announced their new ATEM SDI family of portable switchers. Aimed at the professional broadcast market, the new lineup includes three models: the ATEM SDI, the ATEM SDI Pro ISO, and the ATEM SDI Extreme ISO. The ATEM SDI offers 4 SDI inputs, a USB webcam, 2 SDI outputs, as well as a built-in Fairlight audio mixer with EQ and dynamics. On the other hand, the next-level ATEM SDI Pro ISO model adds built-in streaming and recording of up to 5 video streams in real time, while the top-of-the-range Extreme ISO model expands the SDI inputs to a total of 8 broadcast cameras. In addition to direct-to-USB disc recording, the Extreme ISO and Pro ISO models also save a DaVinci Resolve project file, thus saving editors a ton of time in post-production, while each 3G SDI video input has its own converter, which will automatically convert 1080p, 1080i or 720p sources to the selected standard in the switcher. Budget cine lens maker DZOFILM just expanded their Vespid lineup of cine primes to a total of 10, with the addition of 2 new wide-angle lenses. The new Vespid 21mm and 40mm cine primes offer a fast aperture of t2.1 and have been designed to cover the latest full-frame cine cameras. With a large image circle of 46.5mm, they are a perfect fit for the Alexa Mini LF or the Venice, in addition to many other cameras. Both lenses offer a 16-blade aperture design, producing a lovely round bokeh, while the 270-degree focus throw offers plenty of travel for focus pullers. Camera systems will also appreciate the dual imperial and metric scales on the side, as well as the lightweight design, which managed to keep the lenses at around 950 grams. Available in Canon EF or PL mount, both lenses are due to ship towards the end of July. And that's it for this week. We'll be back next week with more news in 90 seconds.